The sun barely penetrated the thick smoke that choked what used to be a lush forest. Animals that once thrived here were either fleeing for their lives or lying motionless on the scorched earth. Maya, a young ecologist, trudged through the blackened remains, her heart heavy with sorrow. She paused to examine a burned treetop, now just a skeletal outline against the ashen sky. The news had reported a fire caused by a lightning strike, but she knew better. The evidence of human negligence was everywhere. Discarded cigarette butts, broken glass that could magnify sunlight, and illegal campgrounds where fires had been left unattended. Her phone buzzed with another message from her team as they coordinated efforts to contain the remaining hot spots and assess the damage. Maya felt an urgency fueled by a dual mission: to restore what could be saved and to alert the world to the preventable destruction that had occurred. Hours later, exhausted but resolute, her team gathered near their vehicles. They had managed to save a small section of the forest, but it was a bittersweet victory. Maya's eyes welled up as she took one last look at the devastation, promising herself that she would continue to fight for every remaining tree and creature in this besieged paradise. They loaded up their gear, the road ahead uncertain, but their resolve unbroken. The forest echoed a silent plea for help, and Maya was determined to answer it, no matter what it took.